Box in the air fryer.
Ninja. Supreme Beamer.
Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Look at that.
The Hot Kitchen has got a brand new, very brand new Ninja.
Okay.
Literally checked out the other one the other day, but look at that. Brand new Ninja. And so you're gonna see the real thing now. Look at that, chicken. Supreme Beamer right in the Hot Kitchen's house, guys. Check him out if you do not yet have him.
Check me out.
Supreme underscore Beamer. He's a gamer. Check him out, guys. Look at that.
Unboxing the air fryer, guys.
Boxed in the air fryer. I think you should put that back flat down. You gotta stick and stay if you want to see what the air fryer looks like. And this one is a Ninja. Ninja in the house. Lift the whole bag. Lift the whole bag.
Wow, guys, look at that.
Look at this. Ninja air fryer just unboxed by Beamer.
Hello, guys.
Himself, Supreme Beamer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice piece of work. Right here. Nice piece of work. What's in this? Don't think that's anything. And this is the second. Oops.
Oh, there's tape.
Oh, it's taped up. I was thinking, is it broken? But guys, look at that. Look at the depth of it. Look at the depth of it. Yes, guys, look at that. Look at that. Now you want your chicken in there. You want your chips in there. And yes, Supreme, take a bag of chicken from the freezer. Take a bag of chicken, you see that? Yes. This is gonna sample right in here. Look at this. This is gonna pop in here and you're gonna see, well, you're not gonna see the result today, but look at this. Beautiful. Look at that. That is it. That is it. Yeah, man. Supreme Beamer in the house, guys, and literally
Hello, guys.
just unbox this because you already know that the boss is on the rock. The boss is on the rock today. That is it. That is it. You got to know to say that is it.
That is it, guys. That is it.
That is it. Stick and stay. just unboxed a brand new Ninja air fryer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Just unboxed. Thank you guys for watching in the hot kitchen. Supreme Beamer.
See you later, Supreme Beamer.
That is it.
See you later. That is it.
That is it. Yes, man. That is it.